Hi, my name's Mark Tilling and I'm a master chocolatier and pastry chef, and I'm here at the open weekend at Winchester Caravans site. I'm going to show you lots of different chocolate treats that you can do when you're away in your caravan. We're going to show you some chocolate brownies with smalls on the top. We're going to do some French toast. We're going to do some fried pancakes, fried donuts with lots of different toppings that you can do. I'm going to be using the Kadak barbecue outside and using lots of their different equipment and showing you lots of different techniques. So let's get started and make some really amazing chocolate treats. So we're now going to do some marinated char grilled apricots. So we're going to use some maple syrup, some vanilla, some lime zest and some rosemary. We're going to marinate them all together and then we're going to char grill them on the barbecue as well. With that, we're going to use some donuts. So this could be donuts that are slightly older and you can char grill those as well, and it gives them a nice crispy sort of caramelization to the actual top of the donut, which is absolutely amazing. So let's start by cutting up the apricots in half and taking out the stones. And we're going to pop those into another little food bag and we can do the marination in there. Okay, so we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. So this is vanilla paste. And then we're going to add a good old glug of maple syrup. I'm going to put in 1 sprig of rosemary, so we're going to take it off the actual stalk, and that's going to go in. And then we're doing 1 lime zest as well. And then we're going to close that up, so you can have a zip top bag or close it up by tying it. And then we're going to leave that, give it a little mix around, make sure all that rosemary, all that maple syrup is all mixed into that fruit. And this is something you can do beforehand as well, so you could do this before you go away on holiday and then just leave it in the fridge and it will marinate. So we're going to marinate this at least a good couple of hours, and that will all get all that flavour into those apricots, and then we're going to char grill them on the barbecue. Okay, so now I've emptied out the apricots into a little pan. It's easier to get them onto the barbecue, and we're just going to put them face downwards, so seeds face downwards, and get them nicely char grilled on the barbecue. So I'm just going to check to see if we've got a nice char on the other side. Oh yeah, you can see where it's just charring nicely on there, a little bit longer, and then we're going to turn them over and give them a little bit of cooking on the other side. So we'll just turn them over, give them another little few minutes on the other side. But you can see all that maple syrup now is starting to caramelize, and you get all that lovely rosemary and that vanilla flavour coming through. Okay, so now they're pretty much done. We're going to move them into a little egg pan there, and we're just going to sit them there while we do our donuts. Okay, so I've got my donuts. We're going to place them on the grill pan bit here, and we're going to start to seal those off. We're going to just push them down a little bit just so they stick nicely, and then all that sugar will caramelize and we'll get nice char grilled effect. So this is really good if you've got a couple of day old donuts, because they'll soften up and they'll give you another really good dessert with this. Okay, we're going to turn over now. So there we got nice char grilled on there. We'll just do the other side as well, and then we'll be ready to serve. Okay, so we're ready to serve. So we can put a donut on the plate, and then we can put some of our lovely apricots on the top there. And then we can then just finish that with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. Look at that. Amazing.
Well, we can't let James have all the fun, can we now? So we've got to have a little taster. So we've got this wonderful dessert. Look at that. Oh my God. Heavenly. I can taste that rosemary coming out of that, and the maple syrup, and the complement of the vanilla ice cream is just absolutely exceptional. Fabulous.